What's going on, guys? Welcome to Temburong! Okay, guys, say something! Good morning, guys. What's up? What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. So if this is your first time here, my name is Lowell. I'm a travel filmmaker. I'm a travel blogger. And today our photographers group here in Brunei are going to have a gathering, a year-end gathering. Since majority of the hotels here, especially during December, it's quite fully booked, so for a change we're going to go somewhere. This is the first time we're going to do it. During the year-end gathering, because you usually have this kind of event. So stay tuned, guys. I'm on the way there to meet my friends. And last night I have a function and I went back like 12 plus already, almost 1 o'clock. And then as I go back home, like, I really cannot sleep. I don't know what happened. So until now I'm still wide awake. I just lying down there, cannot sleep. We'll see what's going to happen next later. To be honest, I don't really like morning functions. It seems like I'm not really a morning person. For me, the struggle is real because I don't like to wake up early in the morning. I like to enjoy my bed. And every time there's a morning event, I cannot sleep. And it's really very annoying, because I keep on thinking otherwise I'm going to miss the event. So yeah, that's why maybe one of the reasons why I cannot sleep. I just arrived here. We're waiting for the bus because we need to go to, later we'll find out. So as of the moment, some of my friends are already here. They're waiting there. Stay tuned, guys. The bus just arrived, guys. There you go. We're here inside the bus now and we're entering the longest bridge in Asia. In Southeast Asia, right? Southeast Asia, yes. I don't know, I don't have enough information about it because I'm not well prepared today. So, Press, what can you say?
What's going on, guys? We are now entering the longest bridge in the world. Daming comment yan. Maraming ka-flashers.
Oo nga. So, yeah. Okay, according to my assistant, guys. Okay, so we have done some research. So, the longest bridge here in Southeast Asia is
30. It's 30 kilometers.
So it's 30 kilometers, guys, and it costs like $1.6 billion. Yes, so yeah, it's really very, very far away. And thanks to my researcher here, this bridge, guys, is really very, very long. So the last time we don't have this bridge yet. In order to reach this place, right, you need to go by boat, and because the bridge is already here, so now it's more convenient for the local people here in Brunei, and it's more like very convenient already, and it's really very, very long. So no wonder it's the longest bridge in Southeast Asia. I wish I could go down and run here, but it's not allowed. So yes, we're still inside the bus. I think for a couple of minutes already we're still here. And yeah, stay tuned guys. Stay tuned for later. We just arrived to our destination here. This is us. And I think it's quite a lot of people here. Good morning. So, government protocol guys, due to pandemic, right? So the government are enforcing it strict. You need to scan your temperature, then after that the brew health, it's a contact tracing in case shit happens. So shoes need to be left up here. So we're going to start our day with coffee and tea and some local foods, some Brunei local foods. Look at this one. What are you doing, Press?
We are doing the waiver forms kasi kailangan natin to para
Louder, please.
we're signing the waiver forms for each members. You know what's going on, guys? Pwede ba Tagalog?
Tagalog.
Ito, nagsasign kami ng mga waivers namin. Siyempre, maggagawa kami ng maraming activities dito sa mga...
Say what?
It's really awesome to be here. A good place to walk away from the chaotic city, right? This one is a perfect place. So these people here, guys, they're trying to wait for their boat. You see the long boat there? So they're going to go to Ulu National Park. I think it's farther away, and maybe it's like a 20 minutes ride of long boat there. And unfortunately, we're not going to do that because our activities is just somewhere here, and I think that one is very exciting. So perhaps next time we're going to do that. After having a snacks and a cup of coffee, the members of the Pinoy Shatters and Sunday Basketball Club are busy catching up. It's been a while since the last time we see each other. They all talk about life, about experiences, families, work, and of course about photography. Showing off some new gadgets, new cameras and lenses, and me on the other hand, I was busy vlogging and observing them. I was so touched about how happy their faces are, laughing all the jokes and the fun memories they shared. It was so inspiring to look at and made me think that there's more to us than just a photography group. We are more than that. We are family, and we are all deeply connected to each and every one of us. The happiness on their faces, the joy on their smile, enjoying the present moment, reminds me that one of the best things and the ultimate purpose in life is just to be happy, and that happiness is best shared with families and friends. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Temburong! Okay, guys, say something! Hi guys, my friend here, one of the photographer also. He's trying to fly a drone, yes, here in the middle of the bridge. And for me it's kind of scary, but I think he's very confident. Look, yeah. So he's trying to set some mood. So later, after our lunch now, we are going to have some games. So right after that, we started our activities like wall climbing, games, photo shoots, exploring the beauty of nature. We didn't realize we were making memories. We just knew we were having fun.
Okay, so yellow and purple, throw again.
Hi guys, so I'm preparing now for my zip line. So they're trying to attach this one here. Look, I'm excited and at the same time a bit nervous, but do the things that scare you, right? Go! So guys, I'm the first batch to go to zip line. So see you there. Using to GoPro. Fits to GoPro.
Hello guys, this is for sale, this camera. Guys, ayan na si Lowell. Bababa na siya galing sa langit. Doon sa zipline. Ay, puno pala, galing sa puno. Abangan po natin. Don't forget to subscribe.
That's all for today guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell button so that you get notified every time I'm going to upload a new video. And also guys, click the video on the screen.